This is in the Kishtwar district. The operations are currently underway. So about 120 kilometers away from Kokarnag, another encounter also underway in Kishtwar. Sohail, what are the details?
Well, this exchange of gunfire has taken place in Kishtwar region, in Kishtwar district. The initial inputs say that the army, in fact, had initiated a coordinated search operation there in the area, and after that, this exchange of gunfire took place. What is important here is that in Jammu and Jammu province, from last multiple weeks, the Indian Army has intensified their operations, and every effort is being put in place to eliminate those terrorists who are responsible for terror attacks. Because of those coordinated search operations, these terrorists are basically changing their locations frequently, as a result of which we have seen these 3 to 5 terrorists who in fact had exchange of gunfire with Indian Army here in South Kashmir's Kokarnag district, where the terrorists who had shifted to this region on 5th of August when the abrogation of Article 370 was being in fact celebrated. On that day, the Indian Army said that these terrorists shifted from Doda, Kishtwar region, to Kokarnag. So this is the whole region where these anti-terror operations are being carried out by the Indian Army, Jammu and Kashmir Police together. So these two encounters at the moment taking place. One is in Kishtwar, where the exchange of gunfire has taken place. The cordon has been intensified, and the second operation, which is in Kokarnag, today is the day second of this operation here in Gadol area of Kokarnag. Indian Army, Jammu and Kashmir Police and CRPF is part of this operation. There are multiple challenges for the security forces, as I mentioned earlier. One being the area which is about 10,000 feet high altitude area. The second, the thick vegetation with natural streams and big boulders, which basically these terror groups are taking in fact benefit of, and using those natural caves, natural streams and huge boulders to hide in these areas. But yes, security forces are on high alert. More modern technologies available with Indian Army are being pressed into service, are being used. Drone cameras are being used for the surveillance to eliminate all those terrorists who are hiding in Jammu province, particularly those who have shifted to this Kokarnag region. Both the encounters, both the operations are taking place.
Okay, all right. Sohail, thank you for joining us with those details from the ground. We'll continue coming back to you for those updates. The encounter is still underway. We're slipping into a very short break here. We'll be right back. Do stay with us.